Welcome to Brain Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about gravity, or it's also called force of gravity. It's actually force of gravity, but most of the people use just gravity for it to make it easy. So, force of gravity or gravity is actually gravitational force, but a special kind of gravitational force. So, let's say there is a big heavenly body, and this heavenly body could be anything. For now, we'll just call it Earth. So the Earth is always attracting these tiny objects towards its center with a gravitational force. And whenever there is a huge heavenly body like Earth or Jupiter for that matter, in those cases, this gravitational force is called gravity. So that's it. So you can define gravity as the force, or you could say the gravitational force, by which Earth or any heavenly object, by which a heavenly body attracts you or any objects towards it or its center is called gravity. Now, most of us confuse gravity with this small g and sometimes with capital G. So these are completely different from gravity. This small g is actually acceleration due to gravity, and this capital G is actually a gravitational constant, or you could say universal gravitational constant, and they are completely different from force of gravity or gravity. And we're going to talk about these two things in another video. So the actual term for our gravity is capital F, because it's force. But most of us will use W for gravity, because uh, this force of gravity is also called weight. Now, it may surprise you, but it's actually true. So whenever we define weight, how do we define it is somewhat like this: the force by which Earth attracts you or any object towards any object towards its center is called weight. So it's completely the same definition as gravity. So gravity is actually weight, or force of gravity is weight. So if you want to represent gravity in letters, then you could either represent it with F, because it's force, or you could represent it with a W, because it's weight. And that's it. That's gravity for you. Thank you.